2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, heated front seats, compass, heated steering wheel, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.